Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the perfect square, how to find a perfect square. So perfect square is a number whose exact square root can be obtained. For example, 36. 36, we know that the square of 6 is 36. That means when we are getting the square root of 36, we will get an exact number, that is 6. 6 is the whole number, exact number. So 36 is the perfect square. And next, let me take one more example, 81. 81, we know that 9 multiply 9, or the square of 9. Square of 9 is 81, or 9 multiply 9 is 81. And when we are getting the square root of 81 from this pair, when we are getting the square root of any number, first we have to convert this into factors. Then we have to write one number for one pair, or one factor for one pair. So 9. So the square root of 81 is 9, and 9 is a whole number. That is why we can say that 81 is a perfect square. Now let me take one bigger number, 180, and we have to check whether it is a perfect square or not. For this, first you resolve this into prime factors. 180, write the prime factors. And then write the prime factors here and make the pair. Make the pairs. So we are getting one pair of 2, one pair of 3, and but this 5 is left. So for making this pair, we are required one more 5. So this 5 is left. So that is why we can say 180 is not a perfect square. Yes students, now we had already explained that 180 is not a perfect square. So how we can make this a perfect square? So by which number we have to multiply this 180 to get a perfect square? So for that we had already got these factors, and when we make the pair, 5 is left. So for completing this pair we required one more 5. We are required one more 5. One more 5. That is why we can say that 180 must be multiplied by 5 to get a perfect square. Must be multiplied by 5. For what? To get a perfect square. To get a perfect square. So then let me check. Now it is perfect or not. So 180 multiplied by 5 on this side, and on this side we had 2 into 2, 3, 3 and 5, and now we have one more 5 because we have multiplied 180 by 5. So after multiplying we will get 900, and on this side after getting these pairs and one factor for each pair we will get 30. So 30 is the square root of 900, or we can say 900 when we multiply 180 by 5, that is 900. 900 is a perfect square of 30. Now student, you can see 180 is not a perfect square, we had already explained, and earlier we had explained that if we multiply 180 by a number we will get a perfect square. Now the second case is by which number 180 must be divided to get a perfect square. Both cases can be there in your book. So 180, so again we will write the factors of 180. These are the factors, and after getting the pairs we can see 5 is left. So we have to remove this 5. For removing this 5 we will divide the given number by 5. These are the factors of 180. So we will divide 180 by 5, and on right side also we will divide these factors by 5, and on this side 5 and 5 is cancelled, and on this side 180 divided by 5 is, when we are dividing 180 by 5 we will get 5 3s are and 6, 36. And on this side after getting the pairs and one factor for each pair we will get 6. So the 6 is the square root of 36, or you can say 36 is the perfect square of 6. Thank you. Hello. Thank you.